Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Ralph Idilicano from BSed Science 3B, and for today's video, I am going to discuss the 9 ways to reduce cognitive load in multimedia learning. Okay, so first, we need to check the font size of the header. Okay, so let's see. It's 36, so check. While the font size of the body is 24. Okay, so it's already 24. Okay, so let's proceed to the first principle, the principle of weeding. Eliminate interesting but extraneous material so people can focus on what is important. Okay, so in the definition of 4 ways to create positive school culture, I put the exact definition and not wordy in order for the learners to easily comprehend. Okay, so for the second principle, aligning. Put corresponding words and images near each other so that people don't have to scan all over the slide to make the connections. Okay, so as you can see, I put words and images near each other so that the learners can easily understand what it's all about with the use of words and image at the same time. For the third principle is synchronizing. Put the words at the same time at the corresponding images animation rather than have all the text first, then all of the images second. Similar to the idea of aligning, people need to see hear the words simultaneously with the images animation. For example, in the PowerPoint, I put words at the same time at the corresponding image for the learner to easily comprehend. Okay, so for the next principle is the redundancy. Images, narration, and on-screen text all at the same time is too much for the people to absorb. Show pictures while you talk or give them text to read. Okay, so I have here the school climate and the school culture. I already put the difference between the two for them not to be confused. Next is the principle of segmenting. People need time to pass information from short-term to long-term memory. Allow pauses, and if providing multimedia examples, be sure that you can pause it as needed. Here, I will be playing an educational video that I can be paused anytime as needed because the learner need time to pass the information from short-term to long-term. For the last principle is the signaling. Provide cues to help people focus on the most important information without having to figure out what is important. In here, I highlighted the words for emphasis for the most important information. Okay, so that's could be all. Thank you so much for listening and God bless.